Good morning, students. So from the 9th maths surface area and volume. So today we are going to solve the 9th problem from the 13.2 exercise, and the problem is find the curved surface area or lateral surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank which is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter in height. And second question is how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making tank. Here in this question there are two parts here. So what is the first one? First we will move to the first part. It is that to find out the curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol tank. Closed means what? Suppose this is the tank which is in the cylindrical shape and it is closed at the both on the top and bottom like this. This is the closed petrol tank here. Then it is 4.2 meter in diameter. So this is diameter and 4.2 meter, and height is 4.5 meter height. This tank is like this, 4.5 meter. We have to find out the curved surface area. First we will write down what is given, that is height equal to 4.5 meter and it is given diameter. So D equal to 4.2 meter. So radius equal to half of the diameter, that is 4.2 divided by 2, that is 2.1 meter. So this is the radius. Now the formula for finding the curved surface area is 2 pi RH. That is 2 pi RH. We will substitute the values of pi r and h here. That is 2. The value of pi is 22/7 and radius we have find out, that is 2.1 and h is 4.5. Now we will simplify this. That is 7 ones are 21 is here. So 7 3s are 21. When where we have to place the decimal point? Here is 1 decimal point from 1 digit. So we will write this is 0.3 here. Then 22 into 2, this is 44. When you multiply 45 into 3, we will get, that is 135. Where you have to keep the decimal here, that is 1 digit here and 1 digit here, means 2 numbers from right to left here. We will write it as 1.35. When we multiply 44 into 1.35, we will get the 59.4 meter square. So what is this? This is the curved surface area of this petrol tank. Here it is not, top and bottom areas are not included in this area, only curved surface area. This is height and this is the radius. Now coming to the second part of the question, what it reads, how much steel was actually used if 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So for making this tank, it is actually used like this. It is steel. Think that this is the steel used. This much is the steel. Imagine that this is the X. X is the steel used, and for preparing the steel tank like this, how will you, it is by X meter square. It is said that 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted. From X, 1/12 of X, it is wasted from this steel sheet. So then it is made like this closed water tank. Like this. I hope you understood. Suppose this is the metal sheet of the steel metal sheet, that is X. The whole area is, this is X meter square, and from this X meter square 1/12 of the steel actually used was wasted. That this is the actually used was x meter square steel, and from this 1/12 of x is wasted. Then this type of closed cylinder is made. That is this both height and top and bottom. Then what is the, we have to calculate how much steel was actually used. That is, we have to calculate this one. Suppose in numbers I will explain here. Suppose 12 meter square steel was purchased to make like this cylinder. Then from this, what we did, according to the question, 1/12 of 12 meter square is wasted. Means by cutting here and there, 1/12 of 12 meter square wasted. That is, x meter is actually used, 1/12 of this x is wasted. That is, they are telling how much steel was actually used. We have to find out this one, 12 meter square. If 1/12 of the steel actually used, 1/12 of the actually steel used, that is 1/12 of 12 meter square steel used was wasted, then we have to find out the 12 meter x here. Then how can we find out? We have to go for the final result here. So this is the what? This is the actually steel used, and this is the wastage, and if we subtract the wastage from this actually steel used, we will get the cylinder, and cylinder is closed at the top and bottom. That is, we have to find out the total surface area of the cylinder. If we find out the total surface area, and we will get the actually steel used. We will write this same here. That is, let the actually steel used, how much it is, be x meter square. Then wasted steel, how much steel is wasted in preparing this cylinder? That is 1/12 of x. This much steel is wasted. Then the next is, that is actually steel used minus steel wasted, it's equal to total surface area of the petrol tank or steel tank. So this is first question. This is the equation. Means I again explain that this is the actually steel used and steel wasted. From this, if we subtract the wastage from the total actually steel used, we will get the total surface area of the petrol tank. We know actually steel used. What is the actually steel used? X. And steel wasted, we also know this. But we have to find out the total surface area here. So we will find out the total surface area. Total surface area of petrol tank. So what is the formula for finding out the total surface area? That is 2 pi r plus h. We will substitute 2 pi is 22/7 and radius is 2.1, and again radius is 2.1 and h is 4.5. That is 2 into 22/7 into 2.1, and 2.1 plus 4.5, how much? That is 6.6. Now cancel here, 7 ones are, this is 7 3s are. That is, first we will multiply, we will simplify this one. 2 into 0.3, it becomes 0.6, and this right here 22 and 6.6 here. So when we will multiply these three numbers, we will get 87.12 meter square. So what is this? This is the total surface area of the cylinder. Now we will substitute all these values. Which one? This total surface area and actually steel used and steel wasted in this formula. That is X. This is actually steel used minus steel wasted. Which is, what is steel wasted? 1 by 12x equal to total surface area of the petrol tank, that is 87.12. Now we will simplify this. That is, take LCM of this, that is x minus x by 12 equal to 87.12. We will solve here. That is x minus 1 by 12 of x equal to 87 by 12. That is x minus x by 12 equal to 87.12. Now we will take LCM here. 12 is LCM. Multiply here by 12. 12 into x, that is 12x minus x. This is x equal to 87.12. 12x minus x is 11x by 12 equal to 87.12. Then 11x equal to 87.12 into 12. We will cross multiply here. Then x equal to 87.12 into 12. Bring here to the denominator. Then we will cancel. Sorry, this is 11. 11 here. So 11 ones are here. Cancel here. 11 sevens are 77. Remaining is 10. That is, it becomes 101. That is 11 nines are 99. 2 remains. It becomes 22. Then it is 2. Where we will keep the point here? 79.2. That is x equal to 79.2 into 12. So when we will multiply here, we will get the answer 95.04 meter square. So what is x? X is the actually steel used, and it is the question. Means the actually steel used was 95.04 meter square. So this is the answer. Next, the 10th question is, a lampshade is to be covered. 10th question, it is a lampshade. There is a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorative cloth, and the frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter and height of 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lampshade. So what? It is a question that lampshade means it is a decorative cylinder shaped. It is used to cover in the electric bulbs. Suppose it will be like this. So suppose this is the lamp, then it will be covered in the above the lamp. So it is in the cylinder shape. It is a decorative material actually. So it is in the form of cylinder shaped. This is lampshade. So what is given is to be covered with a decorative cloth. So it has to be decorated with a covered cloth, and the frame has a base of diameter 20 centimeter. So the base is 20 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter. The base of this height cylinder is lampshade is 30 centimeter. And again the next part of the question is, a margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and bottom of the frame. So this is the top of the frame and this is the bottom of the frame. So from here 2.5 meter cloth is here also needed, and here also 2.5 meter cloth is needed at the bottom also. For what? For folding it over the top. So this cloth is folded here inside to decorate the lampshade. So what is the total length of the cloth here? That is 30 centimeter, and top 2.5 meter and bottom 2.5 meter. So find the cloth used for covering the lampshade. If 2.5 and 2.5 cloth is not included here, then only we will take the height as only 30 centimeter of this lampshade. But here they have asked that we have to find out the lampshade covering of the lampshade, cloth used for covering lampshade, means we have to take the height of this cover including 2.5 meter and 2.5 meter used at the top and bottom. So what we have to do? First we will write the height. H equal to what? Actually the height is 30 centimeter of lampshade. And diameter is 20 centimeter. And radius becomes 20 by 2. That is 10 centimeter. Now next is, it is the height of the lampshade. Now we have to find out the height of the decorative cloth. That is height of decorative cloth. That is H plus 2.5 plus 2.5. That is this height plus 2.5 and 2.5. What it becomes? H is 30. This is 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. It is 5. It is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35 centimeter. So 35 centimeter is the height of the decorative cloth here. Now we have to find out the which formula we have to apply here, whether curved surface area formula or total surface area, because we have to use the curved surface area because these are two are open here. Therefore curved surface area of what? Lampshade equal to 2 pi r h. 2 we know pi, 22 by 7. Radius is 10 and height we have to now substitute the value of the height of the cloth here, that is 35. Now multiply this, cancel 7 ones are 7 5s are, that is 2 into 22 44, write 10 and 5. When you multiply 44 into 10 440 into 5, multiply here again, it becomes 2200 centimeter square. So 2200 centimeter square cloth is needed. Cloth is required for decorating lampshade. So this is the final answer. Next 11th question is, the students of Vidyalaya were asked to make, there is a competition and the students of Vidyalaya were asked to participate in a competition for making and decorating the pen holders in the shape of cylinder with a base using cardboard. So the Vidyalaya means a school. That means school students are asked to make the pen holders. Pen holders means pen stand, and their pen stands are in the shape of cylinder with a base using what? Using cardboard. And the students of this school are now competition to make the pen holders. Then how is that cylinder, how is that pen holder? They have to make the pen holder of radius 3 centimeter, that is, and 10.5 meter height. If there are 35 competitors, how much cardboard required for the competition? So suppose this is the shape of the pen holder, like this. How it is? Using each pen holder was of radius 3 centimeter. It is given that radius is 3 centimeter and height of the pen holder is 10.5 centimeter. And again it is said that cylinder with base. This is base and it is closed here. Now write the what is given, h equal to 10.5 centimeter and radius equal to 3 centimeter. And what you have to find out? We have to find out the, how can we area? We have to find out the area. For finding the area of this pen holder, see here, first we have to find out the curved surface area. Then again we have, for this we have to add the area of this only one circle. Suppose they both are closed, means top and bottom are closed, we can use the formula for total surface area. Here only one area is closed, that is bottom area is closed. Then at that time we have to add the lateral surface area plus the area of this only one circle, that is at the base. That is, we will write area of pen holder. How can we find out? That is curved surface area plus one circular base. Circular base. So the formula for curved surface area is 2 pi r h and circular base. The area of circle is pi r square. That is pi r square. Now from this we will take out the common. Here is also pi r and here is also pi r. We will take out pi r as common. Here remaining is in the first term 2h plus here is r. Now we will substitute pi r value and h. Pi is 22 by 7 and radius is 3 and again 2 into h. H is 10.5 plus r. R is 3. That is 22 by 7 into 3 into 10.5 into 2, it becomes 21 plus 3. That is 22 by 7 into 3 into 21 plus 3 is 24. Now 22 into 3 is 66 into 24 whole divided by 7. When you multiply 66 into 24, you will get 1584 upon 7. So when you divide this, you will get the answer. Or this is the centimeter square. This is what? This is the area of the that is cardboard cloth for making the, sorry, this is the area of the pen holder. This much is the area. For this is for the one pen holder. How many competitors are there? There are 35 competitors. So this school has to provide the cardboard for 35 competitors. Then what we have to do? We have to multiply the 35 for this area. Therefore, for 35 competitors, how much? 1584 centimeter square by 7 into 35. That is 7 ones are 7 5s. When you multiply, 15284 into 5, you will get the 7920 centimeter square. So this much cardboard, 7920 centimeter square cardboard is required for the 35 computers. This completes the exercise 13.2. So in the next session we will see the surface area of the circular cone. So please, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Thank you.